Lingportal Online School presents
Big versus Large, Confusing Words series. You know this famous tower in London? Everyone calls it Big Ben. But why big and not large? Both words mean big, right? So why does only one sound natural here? Let's find out. In English, big and large are often translated the same way. That's why learners confuse them. But native speakers choose between them very carefully. Because the difference is not only about size, it's also about meaning, style, and feeling. Big, size, importance, emotion. Let's start with big. Big often describes size, but very often it describes importance or impact. Big is a common, informal word. It is often used to express importance or strong feeling. Look at these examples. My granddaughter's birthday party is a big event. This isn't about size, it means it is important and special. That was a big mistake. Not a mistake with physical size, but a serious one. Moving to another city was a big decision. Here, big means an important life choice. She has a big heart. Here, big is emotional. It's not about size, it means kind and generous. So remember, big equals size, importance, strong feeling. Large, size, quantity, formality. Now let's look at large. Large focuses on size, quantity, or scale. It is more formal and neutral. There is no emotion here, just facts. Look at these examples. A large office. We describe space and dimensions. My project is on a large scale. This is about scope, money, people, and resources. He donated a large amount of money. Here, large sounds neutral and precise. You also see large in official terms. Size L, large population, large proportion. So remember, large equals factual size, quantity, formal style. Direct comparison. Now let's compare them. A big event means an important, impressive event. A large event means many people, a big space, logistics. A big improvement means a strong, positive change. A large improvement means measurable, technical progress. A big disappointment means emotional reaction. A large collection means many items, counted or measured. Both words can be correct, but they create different meanings. Why Big Ben, not Large Ben? So now the question again. Why Big Ben and not Large Ben? Because big here is not only about size. It shows importance, fame, emotional weight. Big Ben is not just a tower. It is a symbol. That's why big sounds natural, and large does not sound natural here. So remember, big when something feels important, impressive, or emotional. Large when you describe size or quantity in a neutral way. You don't need to memorize long rules. Just notice what the speaker wants to express. This is how English becomes clearer. Thank you for learning with Lingportal.